looks like?
Aim.
Who do you think I am? Who do you think I am, Dima? Mammoth pistol.
2 mammoth pistols.
Should I get a sniper?
Heavy sniper.
I'm
Yeah.
starting to think snipers are better than mammoth pistols.
Yeah, I want to be good at sniping, but I'm not. I
Same height now.
just carry like hand cannons and stuff.
I'm getting the sniper. And I'm putting this
Oh,
cocoa.
what is that movement? What is that shot? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ah! No, my days, bro. I'm coming over to you, good. I'm sorry. Oh, you're not even here. Hiruka, why are you guys both rushing me?
Whoa, someone started sniping me. Of course. Where did he go? Boy, just disappeared! Oh my days. Oh, where are you actually? I don't know where you are.
Oh, I'm nasty.
Hold up, I'm scratching my finger.
No.
Why is nothing working?
No, 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 just stop! Why is everybody pushing me? Oh my days. What is that? What is that 90s, bro?
Man, I'm trying to mess up. And you
I should have aimbotted him. No, I forgot I had AR.
No, I'm done. You kind of.
I forgot my AR is not reloaded. Oh my days.
Oh, that's Char. Bye, Char. I don't know where you are. Where?
Oh my days.
And who did the thing? That's Char. Char's always fizzing himself. Char missed the snipe again. It's just typical China. It's just you that one. Char.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! How are you not dead? You're 1 HP! You have to be 1 HP! You have to be 1 HP!
Do you only use him ammo?
Basically.
What?
Please? I forgot it's not reloaded. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm selling. I'm selling.
Am I hurt? Cover! Cover!
And I'm gonna die in this day rapid. Go away. I wanna try the liver action. Oh my days, that's actually aimbot. Stop aimbotting me, bro.
No, never.
Why do you have aim assist? Plug off! How about the controller, man? How about the oh! Oh!
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh!
Never.
That's why I hate snipers, bro. I can always like never. I need like a sniper with like a, like you know the scope where it had a triangle in the middle. Did you play that?
Yeah, like the first when it first got added, like
It's
the first scope, but like it has a triangle. Upside, no, just triangle.
Wow. I feel like every time I like peek, you're just gonna snap me straight away because like it takes so long to move with the sniper or something.
Yes, you're the same height now.
If we beat